Good Life started in 2019 as our engagement application, which is mostly focused around health and wellness.
The first version just focuses on the proof of concept. The second version focuses on the social features. Now the third version focuses on engagement.
We added friends to the application, so the first version was only about yourself, and now we added friends. Not only as a reference, but also as a competition, so there are leaderboards in there, but you can also in a more friendly way send things like gift cards and things like that.
When I go cycling or I go running, I can track my Fitbit data within my Fitbit app. That's logical, but the more social aspect comes into play when using Good Life. So I can compete with my colleagues, I can earn rewards, and this gives a more energetic feeling to really go out there and be on the move.
My involvement started last year in October. That was around the time that the 3.0 project was kicking off. The development process, we are awaiting the first release in December of this year. So at that point in time we have worked for like 15 months on the app. That started with planning, visual design, later on app development, backend development, and we're now in the process of integrating all the app development and backend development together.
We looked into how can we change our engagement model. To do that, I think there are a few things you need to do. One is make the application meaningful to the user, so make it that the user actually learns something from it and pick something up from it on a day-to-day basis.
The challenges for me were mainly, I started working on Good Life 2.0 in the end of the process of the app itself. This was a lot of new information for me because we had to develop it in iOS and in Android. Those platforms are very different from each other. If it works on iOS, it doesn't work on Android or the other way around. So that was a learning curve. And the other, besides that, we were working in React Native, which is a framework. And before that, I only worked in React.
My favorite new feature in Good Life 3, I guess that would be the new 3D world that we are creating. And I think that with every developer release that we do internally, the 3D world looks more astonishing every time. So I really can't wait to share this publicly when we go live.
Good Life for me is a competitive app which results for me personal into be more active and more healthy within my lifestyle.